Hi and welcome to another edition of Foss Electric Bike Reviews. Today we're in Lincolnshire, the home of Batribike, and we're reviewing the Batribike Alpha. The Batribike Alpha is very much a commuter bike. You can see that because of the pannier rack on the back, but it also has front suspension as well, some nice decent thick tyres which allow you to go on those off-roading excursions as and when you wish. It also comes in three colours, which is earth brown, shadow white and hunter green. So taking a further look at the front of the bike, you'll see we've got some nice chunky tyres as well as the front forks, which I spoke about earlier on. You've got an integrated front light and you've got some nice hydraulic disc brakes on this model. The mudguards, the pannier rack as well as the integrated lights all come as standard on the Alpha. So moving to the rear of the bike, you will see we've got a 250 watt rear hub motor as well as 24 Shimano gears. The plug to the rear hub motor sits just here, and it's just a case of unplugging the two wires if you ever need to take the rear wheel off, and then you can slot it out just like you would an ordinary bike. Moving on to the center of the bike, you can see we've got our 10.4 amp battery. This is a standard battery, but there are other options that will take you anywhere between 42 miles and 61 miles on a single charge. It's also really easy to take the battery off. It's a simple twist of the key and then you can slot the battery up. And it is worth saying at this point that the battery, along with the rear hub motor, are both under warranty for 3 years, and it can be extended to a 5-year warranty. This is always good news to hear because the battery along with the motor are the most expensive components on any electric bike. Moving on to the handlebars, you can see we've got our left brake lever, and then this leads us on to our LED controller. LED controllers are really easy to use. You've got lights showing you all the information you need to know. So just here you've got a series of lights telling you how much battery life you have in your battery. As you cycle along, those lights will start to deplete. The other set of lights is telling you how much power is being injected into the bike from the motor. Level 1, which will give you about 20 to 25% extra energy input, up to level 5, which is putting 50%. This LED controller can be upgraded to a mini LCD controller or a controller that has a center fit screen. So what this means is it brings you all your information digitally, such as how fast you're going, how far you've gone, what level of assist you're in, and how much battery charge you've got. The Alpha is practical and sporty, and when you're riding it, you do get a sense of reliability because the frame and the way that it's been built feels so robust and solid. With its thick Schwalbe puncture resistant tyres and 26-inch rims, it makes cornering really easy whether you're on a dirt track or a forest trail or just cycling some miles on the road. It's a really versatile e-bike and it only weighs 22.7 kilograms with the battery on, making it not too much effort to move about. And that brings me to the end of the Batribike Alpha review. If you found it helpful, then don't forget to click the like button, and if you want to see other bikes and similar reviews like this, then don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.